Good morning.
Hi.
So we have been planning a trip since way back in May, actually. And today happens to be the day that we are actually taking off. And what we decided to do is we're going to visit. There are 15 different tourism regions in Ontario. And we're doing a road trip to visit each and every one of them. And hopefully we're going to ride some of the best mountain biking trails at each of those and film that and present that to you guys so you get a chance to see it and we can share it with you. And also on our way on the northern loop, we will be stopping in Terrace Bay and taking a boat shuttle out to the Slate Islands. And we have our canoe to do a little canoe camping for 3 days out on the Slate Islands and hopefully see some caribou. So you want
And we're going to eat it.
Yeah, we're going to eat it. So you want to see our setup? Because we got a lot of gear here.
So I'm going to describe what we've got here. We have a passenger seat that I will be sitting in a lot because I don't know if Rod's going to trust me to pull that little baby trailer. Then we have a back seat that is loaded with stuff. And we've got canoe and camping and biking stuff. That's the back seat. Then we have here 2 mountain bikes sitting in the homemade rack that we own and a Langford canoe. Don't even talk about Langford canoes with Rod right now. Their bikes are clean and ready to go. Rod's got a new tire. We've got a spare tire in case. And we have garbage that we have to drop off because you don't leave dirty garbage in your house for 2 weeks. This is the cutest little setup we've got going here. In here, we
Watch your head.
Watch your head. We have a propane tank. Wood, we're not supposed to have wood. And bring it elsewhere. And just stuff, mechanical stuff. And this, Sandy, is our little baby. I know you're jealous. And other people might want to invest in this. We'll give you a report about this. This is a teardrop trailer. It only weighs 800 pounds. And it will tow all your stuff. You've got your bed in there. And we have our bags with our clothes and some more stuff. So that's that. We will show you more of the trailer. Oh, I broke it. Easy on the trailer bridge. Do you want me to pop up the kitchen or we're going to do that later?
Let's do it now.
Let's do it now, he says. Let's see. I haven't even done this yet. So let's see if I know how. Right?
Clockwise hard.
Clockwise hard. Yeah, I did it. This is the teardroptrailer.com and here is our kitchen setup. We haven't figured it all out. It arrived last night. It's been here for about 15 hours. And so we're just figuring this out. That is it for now.
So it's not exactly wilderness camping.
We're at a KOA.
We're at a KOA. And literally we have Wi-Fi at our campsite, which is really weird. But oh well, it's a nice close spot for our trails tomorrow morning. So it was good because we got in a bit late too. So we're all set up and ready to go for tomorrow morning. And what else is coming tomorrow morning? Thunderstorms, right?
Oh. We're at KOA, Sault Ste. Marie, and we're biking Hiawatha trails tomorrow. See you in the morning.
Regional Tourism Organization number 13B.
12.
13B.
No, 13.